Hey friends! Welcome to Fun Fan Travels! Tonight, we're super excited because it's our first time visiting Sugbo Mercado. We've heard so much about this famous night market and we can't wait to try the food, soak in the ambience, and share our first impression with you. So, let's go and explore together! Getting here is easy. The most convenient way is by taxi or Grab, with a fare of around 120 pesos from Quest Hotel. Sugbo Mercado is open from Thursday to Sunday, 5 p.m. to midnight. Perfect for a night out. It's about a 3-minute walk to the entrance of the main area, which is located at the back. There's even a great photo op spot near the main entrance. The moment we stepped in, we could already feel the energy. The open-air setup, the lively crowd, and the delicious aroma make the experience really inviting. Since it's our first visit, we love how it feels like a food festival. Since we love Thai food, we ordered the Pad Thai here at AJ Authentic Thai Food. We were overwhelmed by the variety of food. Sugbo Mercado offers a mix of local and international flavors. Here, you'll find so many tempting options. Ramen, dim sum, there's burger, pizza, Korean street food, chicken wings, and fresh seafood. The main dining area is right at the heart of Sugbo Mercado. There are tables and chairs, but since this place is super popular, it fills up quickly. Tonight, we're craving steak, so we ordered it here at Pork Barrel. The place is really a food heaven. On this side, you'll find local favorites like Tuslog Buwa, delicious Japanese food, and refreshing fruit juices. Of course, we couldn't resist grabbing some soft tacos from LA Taco. Finally, we found a stall selling classic Filipino street food. And we had to get our all-time favorite, isaw. Nothing beats smoky, grilled goodness of this dish. And for the grand finale of our food hunt, lechon. We found this stall, Cocina Guadalupe, selling mouth-watering lechon belly. And let me tell you, lechon is an absolute must-try when you're in Cebu. Alright, time for the taste test. Here's what we think about the dishes we tried. First, our favorite isaw. This is so good! The outside has a nice charred crisp, while the inside is chewy and packed with smoky, savory flavors. Definitely a bold and tasty snack. A solid 5 out of 5 for this isaw. Next up, we're trying the pork steak from Pork Barrel. This steak is tender and juicy with a deliciously smoky and slightly charred crust. Definitely a great choice if you're craving something hearty and satisfying. We rate this 4 out of 5. Unfortunately, Pad Thai didn't hit the mark for us. It was too spicy, yet the overall flavor was bland. The noodles lacked the bold, tangy taste we were expecting. We'd probably skip this dish next time. We rate this 1 out of 5. Last but definitely not the least, we're trying the lechon belly from Cocina Guadalupe. And wow, this is a must-try. The skin is incredibly crispy, giving that perfect crunch with every bite, while the meat inside is so tender and juicy. We rate this 5 out of 5. Our first visit to Sugbo Mercado was an exciting experience. We loved the wide variety of food options and the lively atmosphere, making it a must-visit spot in Cebu. While the food can be a bit pricey, the flavors and choices make it worth trying. Have you been to Sugbo Mercado? Share your favorite dishes in the comments.